My wife couldn't stand the pain in her body until she drank this. If you have pain in your knees, tendons, joints, you also have difficulty climbing stairs, pain in the shoulders, elbows, and back pain, this recipe is also for you. I will show you step by step how to prepare this recipe, which is not only simple, but also very economical. But first, tell me from which city you are watching us. I'll send you a special hug, so leave your comment below. The main ingredient of this recipe is a seed that many people know, and that has incredible properties and benefits for our organism. Our very special seed is the sesame seed. Sesame seed acts as a little cocktail for our bones, because they are a source of zinc, calcium, and phosphorus. A portion of this seed contains more calcium than a glass of cow's milk. And all these minerals are essential for the body. Regenerate bone tissue and prevent, for example, osteoporosis. If you are new here, comment on which city you are from watching this video. Now let's continue with the video. A very common disease in women, especially after menopause. Even with so many benefits, sesame is not recommended for people who suffer from inflammatory bowel colitis or split colitis, because sesame seeds are rich in fiber, which increase the food bolus and the bowel movements. Therefore, its consumption should be avoided in such cases. However, sesame milk can be consumed by these people because it is strained, and there is no question of fiber. Now that you know all the benefits of sesame, see how to include this seed in your day-to-day. You will need 300 milliliters of sesame milk, 1 banana, and half a papaya. To make sesame milk is very simple. Hydrate 1 cup of sesame in 4 cups of water. Let it soak in the water for about 8 hours. Then, blend the seeds that you soaked in the blender with 300 filtered water. After blending, set aside. Now peel the banana and the papaya and cut them into small pieces. Take everything to the blender and beat for 3 minutes. You can drink a glass of this drink in the morning once a day. This way you will enjoy all the benefits of sesame. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends, okay? May God bless you and all your family. Cheers, and see you in the next video. Bye.